Now that we have two nice fillets removed from the fish, we're going to show you how to prepare them for cooking. So now that we have both fillets roughly removed from the fish, we're going to trim the fillets up and prepare them for cooking. Specifically, we're going to remove the belly section, which contains a lot of bones and gristle. So we'll take both fillets, left and right, lay them out on the cutting board. And remember I said earlier, don't worry about this dark colored area in the belly because we're going to remove that. Take your pointed knife at this point, it works best with a pointed knife, and insert the point near the anal opening against the rib bones of the belly section. You'll be able to feel them. If you feel in here, you'll see those bones and you'll feel them. All you have to do is insert this knife blade against those bones and work its way up as such to just gently remove these bones from the rest of the pin bones that are down here in the fillet. We'll do the same with the other fillet, gently following the rib bones along the belly section like so, like that. Then we're going to turn the cutting board so that the head portion of the fillet is towards me. Again, it's important to moisten our knife to keep it nice and moist so it doesn't drag on the flesh. Okay? And with the initial cut that we made, we're going to put our blade in that cut. Following that cut, we're going to turn the blade against the rib bones and remove the belly section like so. Just gently cutting down. And the entire belly portion comes out with bones and gristle. We're going to do the same on this fillet, following the cut that we initially made from the anal opening, following the belly, and take it right out in this fashion. Now notice that dark colored area comes right out and we throw it away. Now we have two beautiful fillets, absence of rib bones, ready to cook.